Hi guys, this is a quick overview on how to add Notion as OAuth provider. First of all, we will need to add a new integration and select our workspace. Type should be public. I will fill all the data and we will continue. Alright, now all the data is filled. We're gonna copy the callback URL from Supabase dashboard and paste it here under the auth domains and URIs. If you have a custom domain, you would also need to add it here as well. Let's add it. Let's save our integration. And now we will need to copy the client ID and our client secret. And we will enable the Notion integration and save. All right, now let's test it. We can see our test application. We're gonna select the page that application will have access to and allow access. Here is our user with Notion provider. We have successfully signed in to our application with Notion. Here is our user, and also let's check the logs. Here is our all the logs to the auth endpoint. This is it. Thank you very much.